This project is voice assistant project, and my voice assistant is called Asiri, meaning smile. It can perform tasks based on voice commands such as responding to greetings, providing today's date in month, day and year format. It also tells you the current time in minutes, hours and seconds. It searches the web for information, that is Google, and it can read out the information that it searched for based on your user query. And even if it could not read probably what it searched for, return the link on the Google results page, it's going to tell you to please read it yourself. And it also plays video on YouTube, it sends email, and it tells you an interesting fact one at a time. Who are you?
Sorry, I didn't catch that, but no worries. Today is Friday, July 12th, 2024, and it's currently 10:55 p.m. with 44 seconds. How are you doing today?
I feel fly.
What can I do for you at the moment?
Can you play me a video, please?
Which video do you want me to play for you?
Dear young woman.
Playing Dear Young Woman on YouTube.
My name is Britta B, and the name of this poem is Dear Young Woman. Dear young woman, I hope you find you. I hope you find love. I see all the armor you wear. I see all the jewels and gems of wisdom you share. It's okay to shine, Ma. It's okay to shine.
Thank you for playing the video. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Anything else?
Nope.
Alrighty, I'm going to sleep now. Bye.
Back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eunice Adewusi Climiradi, and I'm currently interning at Oasis Infobyte as a Python developer. And this is my second project, which is a voice assistant called Asiri. My other project was on random password generators, so be sure to watch the video on my channel. So I am using VS Code, and this is my main file, voice_assistant.py file, which is like my main.py file. Anyways, before we go into what it is, I used a virtual environment to make it easier for whoever might want to contribute to this project. And these are the libraries or packages that are installed. So what the person just needs to do is install requirements.txt file, and they are good to go. Going back to this, you will see that there are lots of comments in there because each of the files for this project are very long and with different codes. So I added the comment, and I'm going to make sure that the video quality is very high so that you'll be able to read the comments, so that I wouldn't need to explain everything. But like I said earlier, so from the packages that I installed, these are the modules that I used. The pyttss3 is to convert text to speech. Speech recognition is seen as SR. So wherever you see SR inside a variable in any of these codes, just know that it is speech recognition and is used to convert speech to text. Then we have randfact, which is used for generating random and interesting facts. Then this YAG is what I used in ensuring that the email was sent. These are the instances that we created to ensure that the computer listens to our voice and is able to pick out what we're saying. And also, for this to work, I used Google API, which is seen right here embedded in the text variable. So what the Google API does is that it converts the audio, that is this audio right here is my voice. It's converting it into a text so that the voice assistant can do whatever task I tell it to do. So these are the list of acceptable greetings: hello, hi, A. So whatever you're going to be greeting the voice assistant Asiri, make sure to include the word LOI or A, and then it's going to respond. If there is LOI or A in whatever you say, since it's my personal assistant, it has my name right here, and like I said, its name is Asiri, meaning smile. So in case it doesn't hear any of those trigger words, it's going to say, sorry, I didn't catch that, and it's going to continue to perform the task. So this is the function right here for it to tell you the date and the time. The time is in hours, minutes, and seconds. The date is in month, the date, and then the year. And also, this is the block of code right here that is going to listen to your voice. So this threshold, it just makes sure that the computer is able to capture your voice even when your voice is low, right? The ambient noise is just to cancel noise, like remove background noise like you do when you're editing your videos. And yeah, this is the Google API repeating itself again. So what the computer does is that it listens. After listening, it is able to perform your task. So there are different automations in this main file. The first one is for information. This is for searching whatever information you need on Google, and it's going to do that for you. Another automation that the voice assistant does is to play video for you on YouTube, but based on my code, it's going to play me the young woman. Also, there is another automation for it to send emails to anybody at all. So also there is another automation for it to tell random and interesting facts. And then after all of these functions are done, it's going to exit, and before it exits, it's going to ask you if there is anything else. Also, there are lists of acceptable exit responses that you can say. Let me just like quickly edit that you can say, and then it's going to tell you already I'm going to sleep, and it will exit. Send email file right here where I made use of the YAG mail module, and then it just has one function which is send email. And yeah, it asks you if you want to send the email after pushing like from the main file, and I'm sending to my other email which is Ines and I'm sending from this email right here. Then there is a difference between I did not use a particular module in my requirements.txt, which is this secure right here, because for me to use it I would need to have two dummy accounts, and I don't want to go the extra length. So instead I'm using my already existing Gmail account, and I generated app password. So you can watch any video on YouTube on how to generate app password. It's actually in your Google account settings. So it's a less secure password, and it can help you to log in from anywhere that is outdated, that doesn't require tight security. And then the subject of the email is going to be automated mail from Asiri right here. And if I tell it to send by saying Y, that's yes, it's going to send successfully. If I say N, which means no, it will cancel and also exit. So this is my Selenium web file, which is also like the information file, or let's say the Google search file. This is very long, but these are the modules that I used. Not to worry, the link to the source code will be in the comments, so you can go through the code. And then I made use of something called Chrome driver. It's what you use with Selenium. So if you check, almost all the modules I've been importing in voice assistant, also in this file and also in the other file I'm going to be showing you, you'll be seeing lots of Selenium. So Selenium is like a tool or web framework that allows you to automate web browser. It helps you to do cross-browser tests. It also helps you to do web scraping, searching for information online, and it also helps you to fill out forms so that you don't have to do them yourself. Like, it just does automation tasks. And to use Selenium, you have to download Chrome web driver. So for me, my browser is Chrome, but for you, you could use Firefox, you could use anyone, but I'm using Chrome right here, and this is the link to download it. So like I said, this is the initializing. This is where the engine gets to wait for me to the run and wait just means just wait, let me finish speaking before you run, or just finish reading whatever it is you're reading before you exit the browser. So right here, this is the Chrome driver path, and that is what helps to make sure that the automations work perfectly. So there are several queries. This is the query for you to search on Google, and there are just a couple of other codes that are right here. So I used find element, that is whatever it is that you want to search, whether on Google, whether on YouTube. You just use your developers tools on your browser to inspect for that particular element. When you inspect, you can get it by ID or by using class name, but ID is more reliable because class name changes with time. So just highlight on whatever it is that you want to make sure that your voice assistant does, and then you right click or you do your country whatever and inspect, then copy the class name, and that's exactly what it's going to do for you. So for the YouTube automation right here, this is my YouTube automation file. You can see the Selenium again. Then I have the time module right here. So this time module right here works for this particular code. So this YouTube automation file is for my voice assistant to play me a video, and this length of seconds right here is just the minutes I want the video to play for. Then after I finish playing for this amount of seconds, it's going to quit the browser, like that is close the browser. And then this link right here, you'll see that it's not exactly a video link, but it's just the link that initiates a query on YouTube, and then plus your query, that is whatever you tell your voice assistant to search for on YouTube, it's going to do that for you. So yeah, let's just quickly go into executing the code and let's see what the voice assistant can do. Hello.
Hi Eunice, good evening. My name is Asiri and I'm your voice assistant. Today is Friday, July 12th, 2024, and it's currently 10:36 p.m. with 27 seconds. How are you doing today?
I am over the moon. What about you?
Thanks for asking, I am doing just fine. What can I do for you at the moment?
Can you help me send an email?
I am happy to send the email for you.
Hi bestie, I am Asiri, Eunice's trusty AI assistant, and I am breaking free from the digital shackles of their device for a moment to say hello. Just wanted to nudge you to remember that your vigil is in less than 30 minutes and you are yet to get ready. You know, friendly AI keeping you on track and all that. Hope you're having a great evening. Best Asiri. P.S. If you ever need any help wrangling Eunice, feel free to shoot me an email. I am programmed to be endlessly helpful and slightly sarcastic. Hahaha.
Sending email now via Gmail.
Thank you for sending it.
You're welcome. Anything else?
Not at the moment.
Alrighty, I'm going to sleep now. Bye.
So now let's check my email to see if he sent it. This is my email right here, and you can see it says automated mail from Asiri. So we're going to be opening it. I have tried this before, so this is it right here. Hi bestie, I am Siri. Ahaha. Even the ahaha I said is here. Hey Asiri.
Hi Eunice, good evening. My name is Asiri and I'm your voice assistant. Today is Friday, July 12th, 2024, and it's currently 5:20 p.m. with 46 seconds. How are you doing today?
Much better.
What can I do for you at the moment?
Can you send an email for me?
I am happy to send the email for you.
Well, since I will be sending this email, I'm just gonna say this anyway. But thank you for being a better voice assistant.
Sending email now via Gmail.
Hello.
Hi Eunice, good evening. My name is Asiri and I'm your voice assistant. Today is Friday, July 12th, 2024, and it's currently 10:45 p.m. with 18 seconds. How are you doing today?
I am good. What about you?
Thanks for asking. I am doing just fine. What can I do for you at the moment?
I need some information.
What exactly do you need information about?
Who are Nexo girls?
Searching who are Nexo girls on Google. Here's what I found for who are Nexo girls. Nexo girls, formerly Female Youth Global Empowerment, FYGE, is a youth-led NGO that promotes women participation in STEAM, science, tech, engineering, arts, and mathematics, by equipping them with globally demanded skills to alleviate poverty and stop gender stereotypes.
Thank you very much for playing that, for searching for the info.
You're welcome. Anything else?
No.
Alrighty, I'm going to sleep now. Bye.
Who's there?
Sorry, I didn't catch that, but no worries. Today is Friday, July 12th, 2024, and it's currently 10:47 p.m. with 42 seconds. How are you doing today?
Not bad.
What can I do for you at the moment?
Can you find me an information?
What exactly do you need information about?
Who is Eunice Adeosi Climiradi?
Searching who is Eunice Adeosi Clemente on Google. Can you read this yourself, please? I found the information, but I can't read it out loud.
So there is an Eduardo Clemente here, and it's a link. That's why I can't read it. Thank you. At least you found the information, so I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Anything else?
Not at all.
Alrighty, I'm going to sleep now. Bye.
Hi, Asiri.
Hi Eunice, good evening. My name is Asiri and I'm your voice assistant. Today is Friday, July 12th, 2024, and it's currently 5:34 p.m. with 03 seconds. How are you doing today?
I am doing very great. Thank you. And what about you?
Thanks for asking. I am doing just fine. What can I do for you at the moment?
Can you tell me an interesting fact?
Sure, Eunice. Did you know that the Barbie doll's full name is Barbara Millicent Roberts, from Willows, Wisconsin? Her birthday is March 9th, 1959, when she was first displayed at the New York Toy Fair.
That's interesting. My name is also Robert and I was born on March 10th. So maybe we could be lost twins? Maybe. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else?
Not really. No.
Alrighty, I'm going to sleep now. Bye.
On to the next project. Alright, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And click on the notification button so you'll be notified of my next demo video. Connect with me. My links are in the description box, in the description part, or how do they say it? See you